The runway itself was fairly open, but there were pockets of green, maybe one or two potholes. But now that top layer that was the original pavement has been now completely removed.
Wow.
So that's what you're looking at here.
Never really sprung like this, creeping through my mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you.
Hi, my name is Walt. It's time to discover Saipan. Thanks to my tour client's interest, I had a chance to visit Tinian twice, 2 days in a row last week. The first day we were able to drive partially on the runway until we were stopped, and coming we can see that much has changed. There's still a lot of activity on runway Able, and as we landed and started the tour, I noticed that there were quite a few dump trucks visible back and forth along Broadway. So I had commented to my client that what we were watching are pieces of history being carted away. Once we got to the actual runway, again, we weren't able to drive on it, but we took a detour to see it from a different angle. On March 5th, 2026, and the construction on runway Able continues. And though we're not able to drive on it as in the past, we are in the middle of something historic right now, where the historic runway Able is being repaved by the US military in 2026 after 80 plus years of retaining the original construction, the original pavement. So we're at a point now where it looks like a repaving is imminent because the road itself has been flattened. Then we took a look at runway Charlie. Yeah, so this is Charlie. Looks like some incineration is going on. It's on the way, so it's more active than I've seen it in a while. A lot of earth moving and incineration. So Able and Charlie are being actively worked on, whereas Baker is still open.
Alright. So it looks like they've got a fair amount of growth there.
Next time I'm here, I'll make an effort to interview someone involved in the actual construction to give you some more details. But for now, again, a historic time on Tinian with the removal of the original pavement for historic runway Able. See you guys in the next video.
Watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over,
you know what am I saying?